Always remember that it is not how expensive something is that someone is giving to you. It is not how expensive it is the thought behind it. For them to even think about giving you something, you should really appreciate it. We are all not equal financially. Whatever anybody can afford and they give you, just appreciate it because they work for that money. So that's just it. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you feminine stocking items that you can put in a sock for your female friend, or if you're a man, you're buying for your girlfriend, your wife. These are very feminine and they're very affordable. This video is not sponsored. It's things that I thought about. Then I thought about it. I was like, these items will be very good, very practical, that you can use them and they will really appreciate it. But before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and please do turn your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do like this video. Let me know your thought about this video. Which of the items do you find very interesting? And please do share this video with families and friends. They might find it maybe entertaining or informative, or they might be able to come across something that they will feel like, yes, they can purchase this. It's practical, they can use it. All right, all these items are very affordable. I purchased them on Temu. Yes, I am going crazy on Temu. I do take my time before I purchase something on it. I take my time, I read the description. I don't really follow reviews because I'm an influencer myself, and I know sometimes they pay some people to just to influence the product and make it look like it's really amazing. For one thing with me, if it's not good, it's not good. If it's good, it's good. That's just it. I don't have time for playing and keep packing game on people's money. Also, always remember that this channel is all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. All right, I'm never ever in my life going to go broke trying to impress anybody. If I purchase anything and it didn't work out, I will throw it out. I know if it doesn't work for me, like the quality is not good enough, I'm going to throw it away instead of donating it, because if not good for me, it shouldn't be good for somebody else that I'm giving it to out there because of the quality. But let's say the size is big or it's just too big for me and the quality is good, of course I will donate, because there will be somebody out there that will find it, that it will fit that person. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So the first one I'm featuring is called the Women's Stylish Luxurious Luxury Collar Tyron Necklace. It's a glitter necklace and you can use it as a gift for someone. They have it in different colors, but the color that I chose is a silver one, which is the white one. They do have it in gold, and they have different design of it. I only chose this particular one you all are looking at because it's very simple and very cheap and classy. The next one I'm featuring, they have it in different colors, about 11 colors, but I chose the black and white because it's classic. All right, you know, black and white, it never go out of style and it's easier to style. You can go ahead and purchase whatever color you like. If at the end of the day, if I feel like this is very practical for me, I like it more, I might be able to go ahead and buy more. But this one is called the Floral Print Chiffon Neck Collar Ruffle. It's a fake collar, all right. It just make people think that you have something underneath that has that style at the front of your shirt or your sweater or sweat top, whatever you're wearing. That's just the idea. It's a fake collar. Another one that I really find very fascinating, this is also a fake sleeve. It's very girlish. It's very stylish. It looks like you have a chiffon top underneath your sweater. Meanwhile, you only have that fake sleeve on it. On their website, it's called One Pair Double Layer Ruffle Short Solid Collar Lace Wrist Cuff Fake Sleeve, just like I called it, fake sleeve. So they do have it in black and they have it in white. I purchased the white because I wanted to see how it's going to look. If something I like that I feel like I'm going to enjoy using, I probably will buy the black one too. It's very affordable. It's $2.98. The next one I'm featuring is called One Pair of Earring Plus One Necklace Hugo style jewelry set. It's 18 karat gold plated. All right, gold plated, cauliflower shape match evening party cocktail. It's full mouth. All right, that's what they have. This particular one, I think they recommend it for a cocktail party, but it looked very classic. It looked like classy and very delicate. That's the way it looks, even in the looking at it on the screen and in the real life. It does feel very delicate, and it feels like it's very expensive. Simplicity, you can just imagine this on a cocktail dress or an evening gown. It's going to look very beautiful, and it's going to put your look to look outstanding. You're going to look elegant, you're going to look gorgeous, you're going to look sophisticated. The next one is called the Fox Pear Decor Pineapple Stud Earring, elegant jewelry earring. Like they said, it's gift for girls. Yeah, it's still feminine. All right, ladies, and that's how this one is looking at. To be honest with you, out of the 3 jewelries that I presented today, I'm not going to recommend this last one. It's not because of the amount, but because it doesn't look like a real thing. To be honest with you, this pineapple one, I'm not going to recommend it, except you're buying it for a girl, a very young girl. But if you're buying it for someone that's really mature, it does not look like the way it looks on their website. On their website, it looks very sturdy. It looks like something that when you hold on to it, it's going to look like it's expensive. But no, ladies, I'm not going to recommend this, but I'll recommend the first jewelry and the second one that I featured. But this last jewelry, I'm not going to recommend it. It's 98 cents, but it doesn't feel real. On their website, it looks like gold. It looks like it's made out of gold plated. We all know that it can be gold, and they will sell it for that price, but it does look like plated gold, which most of us will use plated gold anyway. So but when I got it at home, it looks very pale. It doesn't look like it's plated gold, and the back of the earring already bent by the time you go here, and I find it very difficult to put it in my ears. I'm not going to recommend it. I don't think it's something that is going to last for a while. So the next one is called the Elegant Red Rose Tassel Rhinestone Cloud Clips Hair Clips. Is decorative accessories. This one is sold for $1.98. They only have this color. It's really beautiful if you know how to put your hair in one place and put it at the back, just like I did. It might not be perfect because I just want to get over this video, so but if you know how to do it, this look very elegant, and it does feels like something that is going to last for a little while, but I'm not recommending that it's going to last for. Next one is called 6 pieces false pearl brooch pin. You're supposed to I've not used it before. Like, I don't even know how to use it. I'm going to have to figure it out after this video. But what it's meant to do is to be able to help you to adjust if your top is too big. You're supposed to put it and to clip it, you know, together. That's what it's supposed to do. It came in different color. The one I chose is the one that has 2 pieces of champagne. It has 2 white and also 2 pieces of gray, so making 6 in all. So this particular one is a soap drainer that you can put to decorate your bathroom and put your soap on top of it. It's I chose the color gray. They do have other colors on their website, and I feel like these are things that you can just put in the sock, you know, for a friend, or you package them in a gift box and send for a friend for the holiday. They are very affordable. They are not so expensive, and I feel like some of them are practical. Some of them are things that they can be able to use for a while. Like I mentioned, out of everything that I purchased that I featured today, I'm not really going to recommend that pineapple earring because it doesn't look solid and it feels like it's not going to last at all. But for the rest of them that I featured, they are very practical, as long as you know how to use them to style what you want to wear the necklaces with, and the fake collar, the fake sleeves. If you know how to, you know, to make use of them, they are very practical. All right, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.